Demystifying IT, Project Management Methodologies. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video lesson on Project Management Methodologies in the IT industry. Today, we will explore some key terms, concepts, and roles you might come across in your professional journey, specifically in the IT sector. By understanding this advanced vocabulary, you'll be better equipped to discuss and navigate the world of IT project management. First off, let's talk about what project management in IT means. It's all about organizing and managing resources, mainly time, people, and budget, to deliver a unique product, service, or result. An important term you'll often hear is the project manager. This is the person responsible for planning, executing, and overseeing the project to ensure it meets its goals and deadlines. One of the most popular project management methodologies in IT is the Agile methodology. It values flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Key terms within Agile include sprints, which are short, time-boxed periods where specific work has to be completed and ready for review, and Scrum Master, the facilitator for an Agile development team. Another widely used methodology is the Waterfall Methodology. Unlike Agile, Waterfall is a linear, sequential approach where progress is seen as flowing steadily downwards, like a waterfall, through different stages. Common terms include phases like requirements, design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. Lastly, we're going to touch on DevOps, a set of practices that combines software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. It aims to shorten the system development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. You might come across roles like DevOps engineer who works with developers and the IT staff to oversee code releases. And there we have it. A brief, yet informative dive into project management methodologies within the IT sector. Remember, whether it's Agile, Waterfall, or DevOps, each approach comes with its unique set of vocabulary and concepts. We hope that this video helps you better understand and use these terms in your professional journey. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into each of these methodologies. Until then, keep learning and expanding your professional vocabulary.